Hi everybody, welcome to my channel if you're new, or welcome back if you're returning. My name is Tiana and today I'm going to be sharing with you 4 tips on how to save money more quickly with groceries. I and my boyfriend have been noticing that groceries are nuts here, and I know a lot of other people are feeling the exact same way, so I figured, you know what, I want to share just 4 simple tips that may help you save money quicker when it comes to groceries. These are really simple things, but it was a way for my boyfriend and I to be able to save like $100 to $200 a month on groceries. The grocery bill is still high, but this is just a way that I know for sure that we can save just a little bit more each month. So I really hope that these tips can help you. I don't want this to be like so repetitive, but these are 4 easy, simple ways that can help you literally the next time you go shopping. The very first one is going to be to only buy what you need. So for example, if you need meat, write down the meat you need. If you need fruits, write down the fruits you need. Go through your cupboards, write down what you need for the week. Make sure you're writing down what you need, what you ran out of. It's so easy to go in the grocery store and just say, oh, I need this, I need this, I need this, I think I need this, I think I need this. But writing down what you need is going to avoid buying doubles. It's going to stop overbuying. It's going to keep you in budget. It's so much easier to know what you need instead of just going to the grocery store. So typically what I do is the night before or the morning of, I will literally make a list and write down everything I need. This way when I go to the grocery store, I have the list on me. So you may need to do that. You may need to take like 5-10 minutes, go through all your stuff, write down what you need. This way you know what you need when you're at the grocery store. The other part about it is if you happen to overbuy, let's just say you have a bunch of strawberries in the fridge, but you thought you needed strawberries and you buy them. The strawberries you have, yes, you could freeze them, but some of them may go bad. Like some food you can't freeze, so some food may go bad if you overbuy. You may not have the room for some food. You may not even eat all the food. So don't overbuy. Take 5 to 10 minutes out of your day before you go grocery shopping and make a list. If you don't have a list, don't go, or at least try and think of what you need before you go to the grocery store. Number 2 is going to be to not buy any extras. This is going to be so different for everybody, but this has definitely helped us okay, like majorly. So what we decided to do was basically go back to eating our big full meals, and our snacks are a little snack. So we do not buy granola bars, we don't buy rice cakes, I don't buy like sale donuts or sale muffins, I don't buy like ice cream, I don't buy cereal, I don't buy a lot of that extra stuff. I am not going to be buying a pack of rice cakes for $3 when my boyfriend will literally have 4 a day. I'm spending like almost $4 to $6 a week on rice cakes. And then let's just say I were to buy like a pack of donuts because they were on sale for like $3. Well, there's almost $10 right there. I don't buy any more juice. I will buy like the Mios or the no-name like Mios, the things you can add to water like to flavor it. Instead of buying a pack of like, let's just say sale muffins because the expiry date is that day or tomorrow, I will save that $2 to $3 and just make muffins with whatever I have at home. Honestly, even like chips and popcorn, we don't have that. I'm just thinking, okay, so I bought a can of Pringles, I bought a pack of muffins, we bought rice cakes, like that all on its own, like let's just say even if that comes up to like $10 a week that we don't have to spend, that's $40 in the month that we could be saving. Like we don't need it. We've been making our own bread. We're gonna try making our own wraps. Like we are gonna be making a lot of stuff, and it's just so much cheaper that way just to buy like whole foods. Like for example, lunch meat, we don't buy lunch meat anymore. That is like $4 to $5 that we do not need to spend. We'll just use real meat for sandwiches if we have bread. So one way for you to kind of look at it and start cutting back is maybe instead of buying like 3 boxes of crackers, just buy 2. Maybe instead of buying lunch meat like ham, just buy a ham and then you could cut it and freeze it. So if there are small little things that you can cut out of your everyday diet just to save that extra little bit of money, you could be saving quite a bit. My third tip is going to be to buy in bulk. This is what I've been finding has been working for us so far, is buying in bulk. And I'm not just talking meat, I'm kind of talking everything in general. So we like to have yogurt. I like smoothies. He likes to have yogurt bowls. So buying a big thing of yogurt is so much better than just buying the little single packets. Buying a big bag of frozen fruit is much better than just buying a smaller big bag of fruit. For us, even vegetables, to buy a bigger bag is better than buying a smaller bag. Any baking ingredients like chocolate chips, like stuff like that, buying it in bulk is so much better than just buying like the single or the less expensive one, because it looks less expensive, but if you're constantly buying it, it's probably just better just to buy it in bulk. Then you have it. Instead of buying like a little bag of oats, I buy the biggest bag of oats I can, and then I will make my own oat flour. So that is something that I do. So definitely think about buying bulk instead of just like smaller, because it's less expensive. I have found that to be like a really good thing for us, especially because it takes us through like more than just a week. It carries us over. So I personally find that, let's say I spend $170 this week for groceries, because I ended up buying a lot of different stuff like in bulk and just the majority of everything we need. Like I typically call it like a restock day. Then the next week I'll more than likely just probably spend around like 100, 120. I'm not having to go up to 170 because I already have all the staples for the week. So that's personally what I've been finding. Buying in bulk is just so much better. The fourth one's going to be, let the price of groceries determine your meal plan for the week. I see so many people say, get on meal plans, it'll be easier for groceries, it's better for your diets, which it's not wrong. Like, it is better to have a meal plan or an idea of what you want to have, but honestly, with the cost of groceries, it is so much easier to have an idea of what you need, so you can write down on your paper like chicken, fish, bacon, whatever. But if you go to the grocery store and you see that a pack of bacon is $8, don't buy it. Have something else for breakfast that week. You don't need it. If, let's just say, it is cheaper for you to buy chicken rather than it is for you to buy steak, focus your meal plan around chicken rather than steak. I know I have been doing that. I've been finding that the chicken is the more affordable meat for us. I only buy bacon when it's on sale. Try and focus your week around what is more affordable. So if it's not affordable to have, let's say, strawberries that week, do an alternative, go to raspberries. Another example is banana bread. I'm not buying the bananas at full price. I know it's so small and simple, but I'm not buying them at full price. Whenever the bananas go on sale, typically they'll like bunch up the bananas whenever they're starting to get like kind of brown, and I'll buy them for a bulk and I'll only spend like $1 on them, and then that's for banana bread. So my boyfriend's been wanting banana bread, but we're not having banana bread until the bananas are on sale. So definitely having a list, you know, going in there with a list, going in there with what you need, and being able to be flexible in some areas. Like, yes, you will need to buy meat, but you may not need to buy that specific type, will cut your grocery bill a lot. Trust me. Like, we don't buy steaks anymore because steaks typically tend to be higher in price than chicken. But if this steak is a really good price and it's much cheaper than chicken, we're going to be having steak. If a whole chicken is cheaper than buying chicken breast, we are buying the whole chicken. Like, that's just kind of how it's working now. So those are definitely the 4 things that have helped me a lot. I will write down a list of what I need. When I go to the grocery store, I make sure that I am sticking to the list and I'm not buying anything that's extra that would cost more, that's kind of just like a filler or like junk food, you know, like even to go buy like a 99-cent chocolate bar. Why? I can keep that 99 cents. I don't need to spend it. Definitely buying in bulk while I'm there has made such a difference. But also, you know, maybe making some alternatives of the food I'm buying if like I said, the chicken's not a good price, buy the steak. If the steak's not a good price, then you can buy the chicken, as long as you are kind of sticking to your list. So those are 4 easy ways that you can cut down your grocery bill the next time you go out. Obviously, there are some other options, but I have found those 4 ways have been so helpful for myself. Hopefully this video helped you. Let me know in the comments down below what you do, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.